Finnish businesses and our local businesses. And my favorite words are win-win partnerships, right? So we've been lucky to introduce Finnish companies like RiverRecycle that is trying to clean up our rivers here in Cebu. And we know the situation of our rivers here and collect as much plastic as they can. So with the plastic that they're collecting, they're actually transforming it into construction material. And you know, businessmen like me need a lot of, we have a lot of requirements, and it's always a source of pride if we can use materials that are highly sustainable. No? And these are values that are very important. But you also have a lot of companies that are growing very fast in the Philippines, like Gani. They're a leading elevator or mobility company that's growing the Philippines, as the Philippines also growing in infrastructure and buildings. You have also a lot of educational investments, but you also have the private entrepreneurs. No? So later on you'll meet Mr. Tony Coro, who is investing in high-end finishing material, green as well, who's now investing in the Philippines. So I'm happy that it's both ways, no? As the Finland is now attracting a lot of our talent. Finland is really seriously looking to invest with us here in the right industry. So I'm just very excited because I think we're still scratching the surface. So there's more that we can do between the Philippines and Finland.
All right, do we have another question from the media?